Do you want to create high-quality videos similar to Google Veo 3 but for free? First, look at these videos I have created. Let's get started. Head over to Google or any search engine and search Dreamina AI. Link is also provided in the description of this video. Skip the first ad and click on the second link. Before signing into the website, first connect a free VPN of your choice. This trick works on European countries, so try to connect your VPN to any European country. Now click on the Sign In button, check the Sign Up and click Sign In, then use your Google account to sign up. You can type a random date of birth for the pop-up. Once complete, click Confirm. Then click on and skip the rest of the pop-ups. This is the main interface of Dreamina AI. Remember, if you don't use a VPN, only image generator will work. Now click on the Generate button. Currently, Dreamina offers 3 key features that include image generation, video generation and AI avatars, but for this video I will only focus on the video generations model as we are looking for a free alternate to Google Veo 3. The video generation model offers 2 methods for video generation. First one is by image prompt and second one is using the text prompt. 2 models are currently available, so always choose the latest one. You can set the duration of the video either 5 seconds video or 10 seconds. And finally, you can choose the aspect ratio. There are plenty of them to choose from, so select one according to your need. Write your prompt and click the Generate Video button. Now wait for the Dreamina AI to generate the video for you. Once completed, you can watch the video to check the quality of the video. You can see the video is amazing compared to Google Veo 3, which is a paid tool. Always remember, the better your prompt, the better final result will be. So always give detailed and quality prompts to get better results. Let's now generate a different video to evaluate whether the physics are still preserved, something that most paid tools often fail to achieve. Once the video is rendered, we'll observe the results. While there are minor flaws, such as slight imperfections in the cat's front paws, the cycling motion and physics are impressively maintained by Dreamina AI. With a more detailed and well-structured prompt, the output could be even more refined. Overall, the video quality is quite impressive. Now let's generate a new video with a detailed prompt. I will paste the detailed prompt and click on the Generate button and wait for the Dreamina AI to generate the video. Once done, review the video. In this case, the video is looking great. Remember, you are creating the video for free. If you also want to generate the audio, pay for the Google Veo 3. But this tool is creating similar result for free. Now let's test the image prompt. If you see a different interface like this one, don't worry, it is similar to the previous one. If you do not connect a VPN, the video generation model is no more working. For that, you have to connect a VPN server to European country. Once connected, refresh the page. Now you can create AI video for free. Click on the AI video and select an image. We have discussed the text prompt, now we are evaluating the image prompt. Once the image is selected, type your prompt according to the output you want. The video quality is amazing, as well as the motion of the character is consistent throughout the video. The hands move naturally and character's face is also maintained in the video. This tool is just amazing. You can create free video of a quality similar to top tools that are paid. And finally, you can download the video you just created, create a HD version of the video for free, generate audio for the video, edit the video again, regenerate if it does not meet your expectations, or just delete the video and create a new one.